Hello friends, this is the third video of fund disbursement. Today I will tell you how to add bills in the MPLADS portals. So first, after vendor identification, you have to log in on IA Maker ID. Then go to my module, development work management, and there is a fund disbursement. Click on here. You will see this dashboard. Just click here. You will show your work. Just select, then click on OK. Check work title here, work description here, estimate date, time, amount, everything is here. Just you want to click here for select vendor. Then click on OK. Click here, bill number. Invoice date. And select to attach vendor's bill here. Just click on upload. And here click on add. Vendor is added. For deduction, if you have any, go here, fill the gross amount of the bill. If your bill was 60,000, you have to fill here 60,000. So this vendor bill is 67,520. Just click on tab. If you have any deduction, fill here. These are all type of deductions here. Then click on OK. You will see that amount is here. Now I will adding multiple vendors in this work. Just watch out. Invoice date again. Attach the bill. Click on add. Then add on deduction. If you have any, or fill the gross amount. Then click on OK. Now invoice number, same, invoice date. Attach here the invoice. Click on upload, then add. Same. Fill the figure here. 1, 0, tab. Click on OK. See here. Now the last one is pending. Browse and select a bill. Upload here. Click on add. Fill the amount. Click on OK. Now after that, we have to click on validate. Then submit. We will receive OTPs. Here, this file has gone to the checker. So For more videos, watch my channel and subscribe. Thank you.